day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Sunday, October 1st, 2023. It is 5:45 and 21 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, cancer cells. So let's jump to it here. The researchers developed new way to target cancer cells. Date September 25th, 2023. Source: University of Arizona Health Sciences. Researchers have identified a new method of activating specific molecules to target cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed using click-release proteolysis targeting chimeras. The studies open a new way to deliver anti-cancer drugs to cancer cells. They are exploring the technology for the treatment of more challenging senescent cancer cells and other diseases. As proteins are molecules that scientists designed to break down specific proteins in the body, they are now explored as a potential treatment for cancer. However, one of the challenges is that they can be harmful to healthy cells due to uncontrolled protein breakdown. The scientific investigators and researchers focus on the existing metabolic pathway in the human system, the ubiquitin proteasome pathway that normally targets proteins for degradation and recycling. The research strategy uses the pathway to specifically target cells and tumor sites, minimizing premature drug activation and unwanted side effects. The researchers found that the CR-PROTAC strategy successfully degraded proteins of interest in cancer cells. As the research scientists unravel the mysteries, they say, unlike many other drug delivery strategies, this approach will be very precise in targeting just the tumor. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.